Lotrimin AF Jock Itch Antifungal Cream 0.42 ounces. Product details. Get relief from the jock itch symptoms of itching, burning, cracking, and scaling skin with Lotrimin AF Jock Itch Antifungal Cream. The active ingredient in this jock itch treatment is clotrimazole, which helps to relieve the discomfort of jock itch symptoms and is clinically proven to cure most jock itch infections. Relieve itch, cracked skin on your inner thighs and groin with this odorless, greaseless, and non-staining formula that's easy to apply topically to affected skin. Fight fungus with the power of Lotrimin AF Jock Itch Antifungal Cream that works to control jock itch. Safe for kids over age 2. Lotrimin AF Jock Itch Antifungal Cream 0.42 ounces. Provides relief, effectively relieve itchy skin on the groin and inner thighs with Lotrimin Ultra Jock Itch Cream. Proven to cure most jock itch, treat tinea cruris, commonly known as jock itch, with the proven power of this clotrimazole cream. Safe for kids over 2, help your little athlete with burning, chafing skin on his or her inner thighs and crotch. Does not stain clothes. Lotrimin delivers a worry-free antifungal cream treatment in an odorless, greaseless, non-staining ointment that's easy to apply. Ideal for men and women. Many people assume that only men get jock itch, but women are also prone to fungal infections on their crotch skin. Directions. Instructions. Wash affected area and dry thoroughly. Apply a thin layer over the affected area twice daily, morning and night. Supervise children in the use of this product. Use daily for 2 weeks. If the condition persists longer, ask a doctor. This product is not effective on the scalp or nails. Other information. Store between 20 degrees to 25 degrees C, 68 degrees to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. For external use only. When using this product, avoid contact with the eyes. Stop use and ask a doctor if irritation occurs. There is no improvement within 2 weeks. Keep out of reach of children. If swallowed, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away.